Most of the major insurance companies are refusing to insure ships passing through one of the world's most important oil routes. Oil is spiking, gold is rising, volatility is increasing. This isn't just a news. This is how markets price uncertainties. Ayatollah Khomeini, the supreme leader of Iran, has been killed by the joint military operation of US and Israel, exposing to missiles and airstrikes to the 20% of the global oil supply heading through Strait of Hormuz. This is a strait between Iran and UAE, which is responsible for the 20% of the global oil supply. दुनिया की कुछ सबसे बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ने अपने प्रीमियम्स रेज कर दिए हैं या फिर कंप्लीटली विड्रॉन कर लिया है टू प्रोटेक्ट टू इंश्योर द शिप्स पासिंग थ्रू दिस स्ट्रेट because all these zones are now considered as de facto war zones. Iran has one of the biggest oil reserves in the world, but US sanctions के बाद Iran is currently left with only some of the countries who buys Iranian oils regularly. लेकिन जब ईरान से ज़्यादा कंट्रीज ऑयल खरीदती नहीं है तो फिर इस वॉर की वजह से ऑयल के प्राइसेस में क्यों इम्पैक्ट आया?
The Strait of Hormuz.
The Strait of Hormuz.
Strait of Hormuz.
Through the Strait of Hormuz.
Because due to this war, 20% of the global oil supply is exposed to the possible airstrikes, air missiles, and not so easy, but the possible closure of this strait using the military power by Iran. जब इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ने अपने इंश्योरेंस विड्रॉ करे, it means they can see the real risk. Or without insurance, no ships move in the ocean. The shortage of oil will impact transportation, and lack of transportation will increase the inflation. पर ये सब चीज़ें अभी नहीं हुई हैं, पर स्टिल ऑयल के प्राइसेस क्यों बढ़ गए? Because market factors the future uncertainties and the scenarios. Iran states that it's about to take the revenge from America and Israel, जिसकी वजह से there is no stability in the oil price. और जब तक ऐसे ही uncertainties रहेंगी इस war में, oil prices could not settle. Oil spiked not because the supply stopped in present, but because the supply might be disrupted in future. And market has already factored that worst case scenario today. क्योंकि Strait of Hormuz is impacted by this war, the supply of oil is still unsure. Oil के price heavily dependent है upon the uncertainties. Oil की supply chain disrupt हो सकती है if Iran chooses to do this one move, which is blocking the Strait of Hormuz forcefully using its military power. ये करना इतना आसान नहीं होगा due to the presence of United States. But still, Iran has managed to declare this zone as a de facto war zone, which is creating the tension in the global oil supply market. ऐसे सिनेरियोज में जब ऑयल स्पाइक होता है तो गोल्ड का प्राइस भी हाई होता है because the volatility is high, the premiums are very high, and gold is considered as a safe haven among the investors. जब भी दुनिया में कोई अनस्टेबिलिटी या वॉर होती है तो most of the investors transfer their money from unsafe capital asset to the safe capital asset. Gold, Swiss franc, US dollars, Japanese yen are considered as some of the safest assets to park the funds. Capital moves from growth assets to protection assets during the instability. So gold is considered as a capital protection asset and not an emotional asset. Along with the gold and crude oil, volatility also increased, which we can see through the VIX. अगर आज का हम इंडिया विक्स देखें तो आपको इस सडन स्पाइक्ड कैंडल दिखेगी, which means the fear has entered into the market, जिसकी वजह से आज इंडियन मार्केट्स में भी अच्छा खासा डाउनफॉल दिखा. चाहे वो मेजर स्टॉक्स हों या इंडाइसेस हों, एवरीथिंग हैज़ फॉलन. तो मार्केट में वॉलेटिलिटी बढ़ती है जब मार्केट में फियर बढ़ता है एंड इन्वेस्टर्स आर विलिंग टू पे मोर टू हेज देयर रिस्क, जिसकी वजह से ऑप्शंस के प्रीमियम भी बढ़ते हैं. सो वॉलेटिलिटी इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी. सो इफ यू ट्रेड इन द मार्केट्स, एक्सपेक्ट सम फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट्स, expect some larger moves and avoid your risk accordingly. So markets don't react to the headlines, it reacts to the risk perception. The real question is not whether this war happens. The real question is till when this uncertainty is going to last.